Good afternoon. It's March the 17th, St. Patrick's Day, and we'd like to recap our trading in the financials, and in this case the bond, which is a contract we like very, very much. We came in today expecting the market to be in a trading range due to tomorrow's FOMC market. We wanted to be buyers basically in the 160.28 area, 161 area, and we wanted to be sellers in the 16 to 24 area. So this is where we were sellers, and this is where we had hoped to be buyers. And it worked out pretty well for us. We had an upward bias because of the weak economic news, but we just take, in a trading range day, we just are going to take the trades that come up. So the first trade that came up was early in the session, right before the day session. It's a retest failure trade. You got our expected 6:30 seconds, and if you traded it perfectly, there was 14:30 seconds for you. The next trade, the software generated, it puts an S right over that bar. And in this case, it's another winning trade, and you got 6:30 seconds. And if you traded it perfectly, 10. We expect to get 6 to 8. Market enters a little chop area right here. We take this S trade to retest this low. It does not work. The market don't really stop out. And it ends up giving us a retest failure trade, which produces 6 to 11:30 seconds. So the S trade didn't work, but we didn't stop out. The retest failure trade sets up, so we have two sell signals there. We make the low against the value area low. The next trade is software generated. The letter B is underneath this bar. It gives you 6 to 9:30 seconds, depending on how well you traded it. This S right here is short. The trade does not develop. You had plenty of time to scratch that trade all the way through here, but you could have lost 2:30 seconds, so 2:30-second hit off this retest failure right here. If you got in against this low, you had a shot at making 3:30 seconds. If you got in and took this high up here, you scratch the trade. This B coming out of this area works and gives you the expected 6 to 10:30 seconds. This retest failure from that high down to this low gives you another 6 to 12:30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. So taking the low number in each one of these calculations, we had 8 trades for a total of 30 seconds gross. 1 to 2 losers. One of the losers that we counted, you could have scratched it. So you're looking at making 32, 34 ticks. You had 1 to 2 for 0, so you made 1,000 to 1,062 on today's trading, which is pretty good trading. If you'd like to know more about us, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you get an overview of the software and our trading methodologies. To further encourage you to take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in the main trading room where we trade crude, gold, the euro, 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us by phone at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the main room for your 5-day free trial offer.